36 District Court is back in session with the Honorable Reagan Evans presiding. While closing session, no reading, talking, eating, or sleeping. When your name is called, please give the court your full and undivided attention. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Petway. Good morning, Mr. Is it pronounced Dinan?
Dinan, Your Honor.
Dinan, I'm sorry. All right. Good morning, Mr. Dinan. All right, this is the people versus Kunyan Rail, ticket number SX 4001670, count 1, violation of basic speed law, and count 2, no receipt of registration. Good morning. Please state your names for the record.
Timothy Dinan, P49499, appearing on behalf of Mr. Rao this morning.
All right, this was set for a formal hearing at 8:30. It is now 9:30. No officer has appeared. So with that, Mr. Dinan, do you have a motion?
Yes, Your Honor. I'd move to dismiss the case without prejudice at this time.
All right, so this matter is dismissed without prejudice. And you are all set, sir.
Thank you so much, Judge. I appreciate your time. Mr. Petaway, thank you for your time today, too.
You too. You're welcome.
Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
All right, Diane. All right, good morning, Mr. Malafide. How are you, sir?
I'm doing well, Judge. How are you?
I'm well. Okay. This is the people versus Christopher Red. Is it Ryan Red or Christopher?
Ryan is what I had down here, Judge, but if we're talking about the same person.
Ryan Red, ticket number SX 4093697, count 1, roadway divided into 2 or more marked lanes, hovering lanes restricted, I guess that's what it is. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Tim Malafide, P72339, on behalf of Mr. Red. Your Honor, I do have permission from Mr. Red to stand in on his behalf in this matter. Today is the date and time set for formal hearing. The officers failed to appear. We'd be moving to dismiss.
All right, this matter was set at 8:35. It is now 9:32. No officer has appeared. So the court will dismiss this without prejudice.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Mr. Malafide. Good luck to your client. Mr. Roque, you ready on anything?
Huh?
I was saying, is Mr. Roque ready?
No. And I'm gonna come straighten up that stuff, Judge. I didn't want to leave it right there in the hall. I mean, I'm gonna clean it up.
Oh, okay. You talking about up by the chambers?
Yeah, I don't like stuff all messed up.
Oh, okay, yeah. Okay, so we need the O. Or not the O, you.
Yeah. This is, oh, I think about that. I was trying to reach it. Right there. Rules of probation, so be. Okay, occasionally. You 60064. Hey, Darnell.
Hi, how you doing? That's Dante?
Yep.
Oh, okay.
What's up? Yeah. I didn't come yesterday. I was giving you an extra day. Okay. Time frame, or did you need an extra day?
I didn't need extra. Didn't need extra.
Okay.
So, yeah. Cause you know what, I ate a lot, like I ate out of control this weekend, but it was really good. And I love you now. I like it. Cause I went out to dinner Friday.
They here. They saying they can fly,
And then I went to brunch. I never go to brunch, but it was
Did say
like that
they-
type of family. And so after that, I was
That's
like,
what I'm.
I ate so much. I was
They
like,
did say.
I was
Wow.
like, yeah. I was like, okay.
Just know, I'm gonna hold you accountable. You know, so you got somebody to hold you
I
accountable.
know.
So that's your goal.
I know, yeah. And I'm a little sore, but it was good.
Because we need them.
I know. I'm still trying to figure out, like, before, when I was really working, I was doing like step things and lifting, but I was watching TV too. I was working out for like a couple hours, which I enjoyed. But I was also working at home and had time to do that. Now it's just kind of hard. So now I just like a 30 minutes.
40. You can make 45.
Yeah, so what I could do, and I did 45 the other day. What I would do is like 15 minutes of step rope, and then 30 minutes of strength.
Okay. All you want.
Because I used to do
Okay.
30 minutes of
Okay.
step aerobics and then 30 minutes of strength.
Darnell,
Yes,
Michael Reeves and
I can
five.
do that still.
Did Siroki talk to them yet?
I can do
yes.
Did they email her all the paperwork that they were supposed to do?
I don't know.
It does.
Because they said they got
It does.
paperwork that they complied with now reporting probation. They paid fines and they was trying to email it or fax it. So, they need a number.
But it'll take me like an hour and a half.
They need what kind of number?
But I'll be.
Well, they need a fax number, so I don't know if they were sending stuff to Siroki or not.
The kids will be asleep. That's the thing I would do after it. So I would.
There you go. Or they can send it to myself or the judge, you know.
Whole series of the Crown.
But you wouldn't have never did any of that.
No.
Want me to bring him out and ask them who did he,
Yeah, let's bring him out real quick.
oh, she got the papers. She did not get the papers. I'm gonna bring him out and have him to fax.
Okay. She did get the papers and stuff.
I did it for.
Do y'all have he can fax it to the courtroom?
But it's hard to maintain.
Yeah, once I started.
Can we fax it to the courtroom?
And I work.
Well, as long as they got the paperwork that they complied, then we just trying to provide proof that they comply with everything.
Mr. Riggs, do you have your
Yes.
paperwork? Do you have your paperwork on you that you comply with everything?
Yes, I have. They never tell me where to send it to.
I heard.
Louis, do you have could he send it to the courtroom?
I haven't done a jury trial as a lawyer.
Email it to my address.
13.
Could you email it?
No, I did a jury trial.
Sir, could you mail it, Mr. Riggs? Email it to the clerk's address.
Yes, what is it? What's the email address?
It's Louis dot Ratliff, RATLIFF
Say
36.
it again. Can you repeat it again? You breaking up, sir. I'm sorry.
Okay. It's Lewis, Lewis
Lewis.
dot
Dot.
Ratlif, RATLIFF
Mhm.
I see you.
at 3636th District Court
Mhm.
.org.
Okay. Let me get my tablet. Tell them I'm gonna get the other tablet. All right, we're gonna do this right away. All right, tell your mom to get her tablet. All right, thank you.
Okay, I'm gonna put you back on mute for a minute. Ms. Rocky, are you ready to bring everybody out?
I don't have offers, but we can probably do most of the people without offers, so. A couple of the people have matters coming up, so I was just gonna schedule these matters on their pretrial dates so that they catch up with each other.
Okay, so.
So you could bring out Jasmine Dubois, Eric Repress, Celie Davis, Christopher Dubose. I think that's just gonna be,
Oh, Miss Horn printed out all the instructions for me. Okay, Miss Horn, thank you.
Keith, did you say Keith Roberts?
Keith Roberts is waiting for an offer, but I think the judge can make an offer. So yes, we could do him.
What about Christopher Duvall?
We can do Christopher Dubose.
Get it. Christopher Dubose, please turn on your video. Everyone remain quiet and turn on your video.
Anna Davis, where is she? A show cause?
No, she's here on pretrial.
You have to sit up, Mr. Repress. Press. You have to sit up.
And she rejected my representation, so she'll be speaking with the judge.
No, I just asked for a contract.
Miss Davis, hold on. I'm about to open court. 36th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, there's no talking, reading, walking around, driving, smoking, laying back on the couch. When your name is called, sit up, Mr. Repress. Press. When your name is called, please give your full and undivided attention to the court. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Petway. Good morning, Mr. Roki.
Morning, Your Honor.
1 second. This is the people versus Anaya Davis Sealy, ticket number SP 871177, count 1, disorderly conduct, and count 2, reckless driving. Good morning. Please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Soroki.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Ms. Sealy.
No, we don't have a contract, Pauline.
Ms. Davis Sealy, can you say your name, please?
Anaya, me and Pauline do not have a contract. Anaya Bay, I would like to be addressed at.
I'm sorry, you said other stuff, I couldn't really hear you. Are you stating your name?
Yes, Anaya Bay.
Oh, okay, also known as Miss Anaya Davis Sealy. All right.
No,
Ms.
Anaya
Soroki,
Bay.
does your client wish to proceed?
She didn't want to talk to me, Your Honor, so.
Okay, so this matter is set for a pretrial. Ms. Davis Sealy, how do you wish to proceed?
It's Miss Bay, B-E-Y, Miss Bay.
How do you wish to proceed, ma'am?
To be dismissed.
That's not an option at this point. The prosecutor is not dismissing your case.
Can you repeat that?
The prosecutor is not dismissing your case. So you have the option of either pleading guilty, or you can set this for a trial. It can either be a bench trial or it could be a jury trial. So
My
what would you like
affidavit has been submitted, and also it needs to be addressed, my affidavit.
Okay, what was your affidavit concerning, ma'am?
The discovery and disclosure of this case.
You're requesting discovery?
Yes.
Okay, usually it's not an affidavit that you file for that, it's a motion for that.
No.
Actually,
None
yes.
under my status. No, under my status, I submitted an affidavit.
Right, but that wasn't proper, what you did. So if you want the discovery, you usually file a motion. Do you plan on setting this for trial? Because
No, it's an
usually-
affidavit, and you said right, I did it the right way, but however, you're trying to take back my credit. We're under two different jurisdictions, so my affidavit is what I go through.
No, you're under the
That's how I handle
jurisdiction. You're under the jurisdiction.
I'm not under your jurisdiction.
But
I'm
you
under
are.
colorful jurisdiction.
But you're not, you may also be under that jurisdiction, but as far as this court is concerned, you're under the court's jurisdiction. And so you still have
It's
to
about
do things the way, you still have to do
It's
things
not color,
properly.
it's nationality. So that's what I'm telling you, my affidavit. So I should have that discovery now.
No, it doesn't apply. You need to file a motion for discovery, Ms. Davison.
No, I do not.
But you do.
Object.
I'm telling you, you do. You can't just
I
make
object.
up your own rules and follow those rules. You have
It's
to
not
follow
on
the
rules. We're under two different
No,
jurisdictions.
Miss Bay, what would you like to do as far, we can do a motion for discovery. You need to make sure you file that. In order to get discovery, that is what you absolutely need to do. Again, I'm assuming you do not want to plead guilty. So do you want to set this for trial? Do you want to set this for a bench
No,
trial? or do you
dismiss.
want to set this
Dismiss
for a
with
jury
prejudice.
trial?
Dismiss with prejudice for lack of jurisdiction.
Say that one more time.
Dismiss with prejudice due to lack of
That's
jurisdiction.
not an option. That's not an option. So you want to set this for a bench trial? Or do you
Objection.
want to set this for a jury trial?
Objection. I need the discovery.
Right, you need to file a motion for discovery.
No, I do not. I'm on the record
So what
now.
I'm gonna do, Miss Davis, what I'm going to do is set this for a jury
It's Miss
trial.
Bay.
I'm-
You keep
Miss
Miss
Bay,
Bay.
I'm
Miss
gonna-
Bay.
Miss Bay, I'm going to set this for a jury trial. I will give you a date of, and this is not gonna be the jury trial date, this is going to be what's called a final pretrial. And on that, this next date, it's gonna be in 3 months, because I don't have any dates this year. So on this next date of January 17th, we'll pick a jury trial date for you on that date, okay? You probably,
Objection.
are you going to retain your own lawyer? Or do you want an attorney to represent you?
I am counsel.
I'm sorry,
I am counsel.
are you gonna represent yourself?
Present myself.
Are you gonna represent yourself? Is that what you're saying?
I'm going to present myself.
Okay, so you're going to represent yourself as an attorney.
I'm going to be on behalf of myself. I cannot present
Yes,
myself
you're
as a
representing
new person.
yourself.
I'm going to come on behalf of myself.
So your next date is January 17th, 2023 at 8:35 for what's called a final pretrial. Do you have any questions?
And
You need to
and I
file
need
a
the
motion.
discovery.
You need to file a motion for discovery.
I need
Okay.
the discovery. I'm putting that on the record.
You need, and I'm telling you, this is what you need to
I
do
need
in
the
order to get your
discovery.
discovery. You need to file a motion for discovery, okay?
On the record, objection. I need the discovery.
File your motion. File your motion for discovery. That's how you get it. You can't get it
I
any other way.
object. Objection.
You can have your objection.
Have a
your
nice
objection-
day.
Okay, thank you. One sec. this is the People versus Michael Riggs. Ticket number U6006591, count one, disorderly conduct. Good morning, please say your name to the record, starting with Attorney Soroki.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, on behalf of Michael Riggs.
Yep. I'm here.
Say your name, Mr. Riggs.
Hey, hi. Yeah. Good morning, Your Honor. I'm sorry.
Good morning, say your name, sir.
Michael Paul Riggs.
Your Honor, Mr. Riggs is here on a review. I believe he sent the appropriate documentation in.
Yeah, we just sent it a few moments ago.
Mr. Keith Roberts, would you please get in the video? And you can be walking around. You are in court.
All right.
I do see that you made a payment on October 6th.
Here's something else you need, virus testing this.
Oh, you did it? Okay. All right, it looks like you have complied with all the requirements of the delayed sentence. So with that, Ms. Soroki, are you asking that this matter be dismissed?
I don't know that was it a delayed? Yes, I am asking for a dismissal then, Your Honor.
I believe it was. Oh,
It
wait,
might
wait,
just-
wait, wait, wait.
Close. You might just need to close it.
I think you're correct. You're correct. It wasn't delayed then. I'm sorry. So yes, this matter is closed. And you are all set.
Thank you, Mr. Riggs. You're all set. You can hang up now.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh.
All right, this is the People versus Jasmine Du Bois. Do you have an offer for her, Ms. Soroki?
Well, I was gonna ask it be set. She has another matter on November 2nd at 8:30, 8:45. So I was gonna ask it be set at the same time unless the court wants to pull the ticket for today.
Yeah, we'll just set everything. We'll move it to that.
That's what I thought because of the situation today.
All right,
So,
this is the People versus Jasmine Du Bois, ticket number SP 35342. Count one, drove a license not valid or improper license. Count two, no insurance misdemeanor. Count three, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Ticket number SP 439890. Count one, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count two, no insurance misdemeanor. Count three, improper plate. Ticket number 1446089. Count one, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP 274417. Count one, improper plate. Count two, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Good morning, Jasmine Du Bois.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, on behalf of Ms. Du Bois, I'm asking these matters be set for pretrial on November 2nd at 8:45 in the morning. She has another matter at that time.
Ms. Soroki, we do have the prosecutor present, that she can give an offer. We can pull the other matter.
I think, Ms. Du Bois, aren't you getting your license?
Yes, I'm on a permit now. Today I'm taking a road test. So, yes.
So she would have all her documentation for the next court date if the court could do 11/2.
All right, so we'll set it for a pretrial on November 2nd at, you said 8:45? We'll do
Yes.
8:35. Okay. All
Well-
right. So you are all set, Mr. Boyd.
Okay, thank you.
Your Honor, Christopher Du Bois has a ticket scheduled for 10:25 if you want to bring that forward.
Okay. You need an offer for Christopher Du Bois?
Yeah, he does have another matter, Your Honor.
Okay.
So if your court wants to pull that, it's scheduled for for October 25th.
One second. Thank you. Yeah, I'm gonna give it to the prosecutor right now. All right, what about Keith Roberts?
I would imagine the offer would be improper plate.
Okay.
As a prosecutor there, he wants an offer.
The driver's license expired, no insurance is due. We can do a proper plate. Okay, yep. All right, this is the People versus Keith Roberts, ticket number SP 1209765. Count 1, driver's license expired. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Soroki.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, on behalf of Keith Roberts.
Say your name, sir.
Keith Allen Roberts.
Your Honor, it's my understanding the people are making reduced plea offer. My client's wishing to avail himself of that.
Okay, raise your right hand, Mr. Roberts. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
You can put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Ms. Soroki in private about your case and your right.
Yes,
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
no,
You're pleading of your own free will.
yes,
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
yes. I didn't have the proper documents at the time. Yes,
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
yes,
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue your guilty plea?
yes. I would like to get this taken care of today.
Okay, I'm gonna direct your attention to the date of June 8th, 2021 at 8:15 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near the location of Gilchrist and Clarita in the city of Detroit?
Yes,
Were you driving a 2010 Buick vehicle?
yes.
And did you not have insurance on that vehicle?
At the time, I did not.
Are you satisfied, Ms. Soroki?
I'm satisfied, Your Honor.
Court is also satisfied with the factual basis will amend the count to improper place. You stipulate to probable cause that the remaining ticket to be dismissed.
So stipulated.
Dismissed without prejudice, we'll proceed to sentencing. Mr. Roberts, there's going to be a fine of $200. Can you have that paid by November 10th?
Well, I'm employed. I work at Coney Island. I will need a little more time because
No problem, sir.
I can't take care of it though.
No problem. We'll do, we will do, December 12th. Is that okay for you, sir?
December 12th is fine.
Okay. Did you have any questions?
Noted. And once I pay the $200, I can go get my driving license and everything is clear.
Well, yes, you may have to pay some reinstatement fees though.
Okay.
But
All right.
yes, you contact the Secretary of State.
So it's $200 for the ticket. Thank you.
You're welcome, sir. Good luck. This is the People versus Eric Respress. Ticket number 217-270-931, count one, failed to secure load to body or frame. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Soroki.
Your Honor, Pauline
morning.
Soroki, on behalf of Mr. Respress.
Say your name, sir.
Eric Respress, and good morning, Your Honor.
Your Honor, I believe that this was, that he had some outstanding community service on this matter.
You're supposed to do 8 hours of community service. Did he in fact complete the 8 hours of community service?
He said he did not. He said he was in an auto accident, but if he could be given more time, he could do that.
Is he able to do it now?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm gonna give you a phone number for you to call Miss Green. You have a pen and paper?
Mr. Repress, you gotta get a pen. Judge is gonna give you a phone number.
Hold on 1 second. Okay.
That was in 21. You want to pay.
Okie dokie.
Okay, the phone number is 313
313.
965.
Okay, I got the 313. That was it.
965
965
8130.
8130.
Yes, and Ms. Green is who you're gonna be calling. I'm gonna give you 2 weeks to do the 8 hours of community service.
Okay.
So you can
2
come
weeks.
back, say, yes, you got 8 hours to do.
And she's gonna let me know where to go do it at.
She sure will. So you can come back on October 25th at 8:35.
And I just couldn't pay that $50 on that ticket, could I?
It would be $50. It'll be 200.
Oh no, I'm going to do the community. I'll call them.
All right. Did you have any questions?
No, ma'am. Thank you and have a blessed day.
Good luck.
October 25th at 8:35 is your next day.
October 25th.
Yes, call her now.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
I can hang up.
Yes,
See y'all later. Bye-bye.
have a good one. All right, this is the People versus Christopher DeBose. Ticket number. She did you a solid, Mr. DeBose. Ticket number U59346521, count one, use loudspeaker without permission or unreasonable noise. Ticket number P1287641, count one, driver license suspended. And ticket number P128764 count 1, failed to stop for stop sign, count 2, no valid registration certificate, and count 3, no proof of insurance. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Soroki.
Your Honor, Pauline Stroke on behalf of Mr. Du Bois.
Say your name, Mr. DeBose.
Christopher Grant Dubose.
All right, Ms. Soroki, are you asking for the civil infractions that are in default to be, the default to be set aside?
Yes, Your Honor, we ask that all the defaults be set aside at this time.
All right, the court will set aside all the defaults. There is an offer that if Mr. DuBose pleads to the U ticket with a 3-month delayed sentence and then pleads to limited access 1 to 5, then everything else would be dismissed.
What is the U ticket, Your Honor?
The U ticket is a loudspeaker. Use loudspeaker without permission or unreasonable.
So, Mr. Du Bois, I'm sorry, if you want to plead guilty to the loudspeaker, they would take a delayed sentence. You would pay the fine now, and in approximately 90 days, the case would be dismissed if you don't get any more misdemeanor tickets. And they would also have you plead to 1 civil infraction that was already in default. So your points are going to go down. So they're going to make it, you wouldn't have any points for it, but it would show on your record as a 5 over speeding ticket. Everything else is being dismissed. Do you want to accept that?
Yes.
We're ready to proceed, Your Honor.
Okay, with that, can you raise your right hand, Mr. DuBose? Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
You can put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Roki about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue your guilty plea?
Yes.
I'm going to direct your attention to the date of May 14, 2021 at 2:40 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near an address on West Chicago in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Did you use the loudspeaker without permission or make unreasonable noise?
Yes.
You satisfied, Mr. Roki?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
The court is also satisfied. You stipulate to the face of the ticket for count 1 of ticket number P128764.
So stipulated.
Okay, so the court will accept that stipulation, will amend that count 1 to limited access 1 to 5. You stipulate the probable cause as to the remaining tickets to be dismissed.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Okay, so they're dismissed without prejudice. We will proceed to sentencing. There is a fine of $200 for the delayed sentence. And there's also going to be a fine for the limited access ticket of 1 to 5 for $125. Now, this is the confusing part. You got the civil infraction, the ticket that you owe $125. That's a civil infraction, and you usually have 14 days to pay it. So can you pay the $125 by October 25th?
No, Your Honor, because I'm on a fixed income, I'm disabled and handicapped also.
All right, forget it. This is what I'm gonna do. It's gonna be a total of $325 because the other ticket is gonna, you owe $200 on that. So I'll just give you till we'll do January 18th. It's all due on January 18th. If $325 is too much for you, what you need to do is come down to the court and you can apply for a payment plan, but you would need to put 25% down.
Yes, ma'am.
But you have to January 18th to pay everything, okay?
Okay.
Did you have any questions?
Yes, ma'am. So, out of the two tickets, which one was, the driving was, no suspended license? What was that one?
That was dismissed.
Okay. All right. That's all I wanted. Thank you, Your Honor. You've been very nice. Thank you, okay?
You're welcome, sir. Good luck to you.
All right. You have a good day.
You too. Thank you, sir.
Good luck.
All right. Thank you. I can hang up now?
Yes.
Okay.
Michael Riggs is not around. Oh, we did Michael Riggs.
We did do him.